do this before you erase it.
5,
Because I need to be able to see my...
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
What is that noise? Does
17,
anybody know?
18,
It's what?
He has a telephone.
Howard's speakerphone.
You can turn it on.
19, 20,
Remember I told him his swelling would be
Yeah.
it's at least 90% gone today. So that must have restored his...
66, 77, 76, 77,
What? Oh, yeah. Okay, that's it.
77 to 5 years. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and 1400.
1,400, that's a good number. You asleep? Okay, well, let me tell you where you're sitting now. You're sitting pretty.
Okay.
Because from here on today, you won't hear anything and you won't feel anything.
Okay.
You kind of heard that little crunchy sound when I
Right.
did it. You won't hear that anymore. We'll be done in about probably 2.5, 3 hours. And you won't feel anything, you won't hear anything, you can relax and enjoy it.
Okay.
So you don't have to brace yourself for anything difficult coming up
Okay.
whatsoever.
Okay.
Okay?
You spread out the hair follicles today.
How did I what?
How did you spread them out? I mean, how many went where today? I know
Oh,
400.
about 600 or 700 in the front, 300 on the top, and 400 in the back.
Oh, okay, great.
About 700, 300, and 400. Right, ladies?
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it is good. It's going to be very nice. When these start to grow in September, about 3 months from now, give or take 2 or 3 weeks,
Mhm.
they'll grow at the normal human physiological rate of 1/2 inch per month,
Okay.
which is 6 inches a year. So it'll grow about that much per year.
Okay. Sounds great.
My
Yeah.
side.
And as I like to say to my patients, this is not going to be like your hair. It is your hair.
Sure.
So you cut it, comb it, style it, color it, do whatever you want with it.
Sure.
It's your hair. Unfortunately, your hair is wavy, which will give it more body.
Yeah.
So that'll make it even better.
That's good.
Okay.
Straight.
Yeah, there's one here. What did you store?
Seems like the Chinese PCOs and PVDs are pretty slow still. Not all Chinese because it's 710, yeah. On the first one, didn't I faxed that one? You didn't get that? Oh, I'll get it to you right. I can get it to you right away. No problem. I have that. Yeah, actually, I had a sheet that they printed everything out, and I faxed it to you. Must not have gotten it. I can resend it to you. I'll get the second one too, okay? Because I know they have it. So, okay.
Because there's a Robinson.
Hong Kong. No, I said one of the investors, your investment group. Oh, good. How's it looking? Good. Frank Thurlow, please. Frank Thurlow. Ah, he's in seafood. Yeah, absolutely. Right.
Do a thumbs up so you can.
Okay.
9:30 tonight.
Okay,
Then you would start it again when you wake up in the morning.
okay.
Okay, and you'll finish it off tomorrow night. Okay, this is the only one you have to take until you finish the bottle. The others are optional. This one here, Diazepam, also known as Valium, is for sleep tonight. If you
Okay,
have any difficulty sleeping, you can take 1 or 2 at bedtime.
okay.
Okay, and then I'll be giving you some Ibuprofen. You can take 1 or 2 caplets every 4 to 6 hours. As needed.
Sounds great.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Any questions about medications?
No.
Okay.
Okay. This young man is ready to
Oh, I like that,
hit the trail, huh?
I like that, young man.
You're looking younger when you
Yeah. Well, you are a young man. You know, anybody under the age of 36 is young.
Young in spirit.
Yeah. Lovely. This is just lovely. I'm afraid we messed up and made him look too good. Isn't it? Okay, this is perfect. This is as perfect as human hands can make it
Good.
for today. Now, you can't get out of here without an instruction sheet.
Okay,
And here is your instruction sheet, Howard. Same as you had before.
okay.
And there are 8 instructions here in the front, and it goes up to 16 on the back.
Okay,
All the same, but please review them again, just to
Okay.
refresh your memory.
I'll do that.
And the ladies will be putting on your dressing. Are we going to see you tomorrow?
No, I'm going back to Minneapolis tomorrow morning.
Who's going to take off your dressing then?
Me.
You want to do it in Minneapolis?
Yeah,
Okay. So you're going to be in Minneapolis?
yes.
All right. Well, if there's anything we can do for you anytime, let me know.
Okay.
Okay,
Great,
here's your
thanks.
instructions.
Thanks.
Do you have any other medical questions?
No, not right now.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Pleasure,
Good to see you
Howard.
again.
Yep. Thanks again for those shrimp. They were
Oh, you're
really
welcome.
great.
My pleasure.
Appreciate it.
Okay, see you later.
Be safe.
Okay.
Thank you, ladies. Lovely job,
Thanks.
as usual. Huh?
Yeah, this is new.
This is a new concept here?
You had last time.
Yeah, I had this last
something.
time. It's
Yeah.
great. Georgia comes off so easy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this up now, okay?
Yeah.
And the night time when you go sleep, just put it down.
Okay.
So the thing doesn't come off.
Oh, it comes off, the dressing comes off so easy.
I should know.
Yeah. Actually, you know what, the first couple days, I didn't even like the baseball cap on. I like just wearing the stocking cap. It was really comfortable. Spencer thought it was cool.
95 degrees out today, so.
Spencer thought it looked like a gangster. He thought it was cool.
Oh, this time was on. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ladies. Okay, thank you.